find them really good down there, really helpful at Island. Oh yeah,
donation, and all the money is going to the SERV. The SERV are what are known as the blood runners. They are voluntary group. They will go along if the hospital is running short of a particular type of blood. They will go to the blood bank with their motorbikes and cars. They will go and pick this blood up and deliver it to the hospital 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It doesn't matter if it's Christmas Day and they need it, they will go out and get it. And they're all volunteers, so all the money goes to them. And after school is in 3:30, we'll have a chance to do some school games with the week. We're always very, very keen, always supported well here at Parham. And most of the rallies actually that I commentate that, and you can rely on the tractor boys to turn up spot on time. In fact, they've actually arrived 2 minutes early, but never mind. Obviously they're going the long way round, so we have to wait a little while before they get to us before we can talk about them. But these were in, there's a Massey Ferguson. Massey Ferguson came about as a connection with 2 companies. The Massey Harris company is a Canadian company. Real operation. Harry Ferguson with a little grey Ferguson. He eventually sold the company to Massey Harris. The Harris name disappeared and they became Massey Ferguson. Now this one's got a massive, I think it's probably a V8 engine in it. One of the biggest tractors they built. David Brown following it round. They were built up in Huddersfield. And from that another Massey Ferguson, sort of medium-sized tractor.
Well, now we've got a Fordson Major, an E1A, this is a replacement for the E27N, and they came out, I believe, in late 1952. The rear end was very similar to its predecessor. Lindsay won this one. We had one of these tractors, unfortunately, Grandad put the wrong oil in it and it seized up.
Well, the smaller Massey Ferguson, 35. This was basically the replacement for the little grey Fergie, where after the 2 companies had come together, and complete with a Massey Ferguson trailer behind it.
Yeah, lovely trailer on that one. And another Massey 35. As Brian said, they replaced the little grey Fergie, see one of these was coming in the arena.
There's an Fordson Dexter. 3-cylinder diesel engine. You've seen the big diesel motors that come in, the ones in sort of working clothes. That was the only size tractor that the Fordson company produced. And they suddenly realised they were losing out on sales to Ferguson because they didn't produce a small tractor. So they brought out the Dexter. And very, very popular tractor, but it never actually got through some of the profit.
Nice assortment of instruments. There's a lovely front loader on that 3035, 2 link boxes, and then we've got the Ransom's MG cooler there, very popular with horticulturalists and smallholders, built by Ransom's of Ipswich.
I think a little bit later in life, the 550 Massey Ferguson, we've now got a cab fitted to it, which makes life a lot easier for the tractor driver when he's working out in the field.
The 165, so we heard earlier, Fordson brought out the Dexter to compete with the smaller Ferguson tractor. The 165 then the Ferguson's attempted to compete in the slightly larger tractor market.
Another one in original condition, but this time with what they started out with the cabs of all canvas. I think you had glass grey, well you've got a yellow one. But this is the contractor's model, and a lot of the parts and service departments of the local authority, they used to have these, and this one is actually fitting a glass tyre on the back. And this would have been used to test the instead of going mowers, if they were mowing the park or something like that.
Fancy machine. And the little 18-wheel truck there is interesting, with a petrol engine on it, and sort of run around you might use again in the horticulture setting or perhaps in a factory.
When Harrington, you were 18 months before they changed to the racing grade. Following that round, he was one of the originals instead of the factory.
Very short after the first round there, so that's right there. We've got a John Deere coming back, John Deere. Now I believe John Deere has a distinction of being the only manufacturer that's still using the same colour scheme this many years later.
Putting with American tractors, there's no hydraulic, purely broader. And how John Deere managed to get so much power to drive a tractor that size out of a two-cylinder engine. It's only got two cylinders, not 4 or 6, only 2.
Yeah, that's right. And the 135 there, so that was the uprated version of the 35.
Now the unit on. Very good people. Doing the forestry work all over around. They've probably not used for, although they do for farmers. They have got 300 people in hydraulic linkage, and you can use them as a military tractor if one fitted with a mower.
But maybe that usually was identified as an agricultural machine, and the ones later identified as commercial. And then there was David Brown, crop master coming past us now. They're a distinctive tractor with a long bench seat, much just an ordinary United in East Anglia, because you can have two people on board.
Or a little horticultural tractor called the orange one going round. International P275, built in this country, international American company. They used to send tractors over here in pieces, and then built a factory over here to assemble when we started manufacturing them here.
So it's thinking of P275 is a very smart tractor. Here we've got a lovely first tire, home and asphalt condition. Lovely. So you see all these immaculate tractors, a lot of them have been in the condition seen here. We've almost seen that before and after.
There's what Alice Chalmers. Chalmers what he means. Not on rubber tyres at the back, but on straight ones. These so that you can get a better grip sometimes for certain crops or you can put rubber tyres. Alice Chalmers, some of them did have hybrids, they had their own version of it. This one's not really raw by hand.
Yes, the Alice Chalmers, and the Alice U, the bigger model, has the distinction of being the first one commercially available with the American tyres. But back in the day when we were working, sometimes Grandad used to enjoy it at the time to stage up, and our daughters would have the wheels changed, ready to go showering. Still under the lid, lovely little range, and then the grill this one. Kind of matching trailer on track, go anywhere with that. Assortment of chain tools and woodworking tools.
It's rather unusual trailer as well. The trailer is actually tracked. Not got wheels, it's got the tracks the same as the Ransom in front. Now a piece of compacting plant really. It's international drop. These that are bucket on the front and the whipping barrel on the back, diesel engine, track vehicle. I think they were basically based on the one that's following it.
Yeah, it's more of an agricultural model, that one. Yeah, another crop master.
David Brown. 30 green, this one, so diesel engine fitted to it. There's enough room on these tractors for 2 people. David Brown, not the crop master, just the VAK. VAK1, yeah. 1940 petrol TVO engine. This coming past us on its way out is the Fortin diesel major, and this was the first time you could actually buy from Ford's a tractor fitted with a diesel engine. And if any of you go along to tractor pulling events, have a look at some of the tractors there with massive great engines on the front. But very often the back end, the back axle, is from one of these Fords and Majors. They were so well built and so strong that they could take the power from a massive engine on the front. Going from 35, there was also a 35X. From the X, somehow they managed to, on the same size engine, they managed to squeeze a bit more power out of it. 35X here with a 4-loader, mounted on it. E27N, which is just on the inside of the arena there. This one's fitted with electrics. That was an optional extra. And with the buys for headlamp and all the other bits and pieces to fit onto your tractor, and we bought it as a kit. And when you came to fit it, you had all the nuts and bolts supplied there, and we didn't have to drill any holes. They were already there for you, and we just bolted the battery blower, the headlamp, the holes were already in the framework, the argicultural pipe, the radiator, we could push the headlamp in. And so on, really pull the head. Any hole.
No, we always had whatever tractor we wanted as long as Phil to build it. And our first tractor was a Ford for them. And my granddad used to like that.
their own drivers or bringing them up here to